Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn about names, how to order or arrange our names, and also how to use the names of people plus their titles. Let's go. Full name. Your full name is your personal name. For example, John Bwedu Asante. First name. Your first name is your given name. That is the name your parents gave you during your christening or baptism. For example, John. Middle name. Your middle name is the name between your first name and your last or surname. Your middle name is the name that is usually given to you in honor of a family member or a particular virtue. In the name that I mentioned above, the middle name is Bwedu. Last name. A child's last name is the family name of the child's father. In the name that I mentioned above, Asante is the child's last name. The surname is also called the last name or family name. Note, in China and other Asian countries, the surname is not the child's last name, but rather the first name. Maiden name. The maiden name is a woman's surname or last name or family name before marriage. Before marriage. In Ghana and elsewhere, some women do not change their maiden names after getting married, while others do. If you go by the name Tricia Opon Mensah, your maiden name is Mensah. Mind you, I am using the Western name order, where we bring the first name first. Addressing people using their names and titles. Let's go. We use titles plus surnames in formal situations. For example, Dr. Mensah, Mr. Santi, Mrs. Bwedu. We usually use all the following titles or abbreviations before or after personal names. For example, Dr. Patricia Asante or Patricia Asante, MD. Mr. John Kuma or John Kuma, Esquire. That is when John Kuma is a lawyer. It is wrong to use a title with any other academic degrees or honors. For example, it is wrong to write Mr. John Kuma, Esquire. Miss Patricia Asante, MD. Write Patricia Asante, MD. Or Miss Patricia Asante. Write Mr. John Kuma or John Kuma, Esquire. Use Miss when referring to a woman unless that woman prefers to be called by the title Mrs. Do not use Doctor or Reverend Doctor in front of names of people who hold honorary doctorates. You have to abbreviate professional and official titles only when they are used with surnames that are preceded by first names and initials. For example, General I.K. Achiampong, Dr. Bosman Asare. However, if we want to use the professional titles plus the surnames of these people, this is how we will write them. General Achiampong, Dr. Asare. Note, there should be a space between each period and the following name or initial. Right Honorable, Honorable, and Reverend should be preceded by the. So you can say the Right Honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin, the Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin, the Reverend Paul Usu. Arrangement of personal names. There are two main ways you can arrange your name. We have the Western name order and the Asian name order. Let's start with the Western name order. In the Western name order, first name comes first, followed by middle name and last name or surname or family name. However, in official documents, if the surname is written first, we usually follow it with a comma. So, if your name is John Ajekum Kufuor, in official documents, if Kufuor is brought first, we have to follow Kufuor with a comma. And so it will be Kufuor, comma, John Ajekum. Another way is to write Kufuor in capital letters, like this. In Asia, the surname or family name always comes first. So if your name is Wang Ji, I hope I pronounced this right. It means Wang is your surname or family name, and it must be written first at all times. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share it and give it a thumbs up.